TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome back to the Big 100 project. 51 submissions now. It was 50 when I decided to make this video. It's now 51, so that's over halfway done with this project. That is incredible. Thank you so much to everybody that has submitted so far. You can take a look at what the submitted blocks look like here, and they're really cool. They're starting to fill out the picture really well. And if you're on mobile now, I've made an update to the website so you can select each individual block and it'll blow it up on screen for you, so you should be able to see that a bit easier. A few people did mention that. There's 2 days left to get your blocks in. If you don't, that is it. You're out. I'll pass your block off to someone else. There's about 20 people in waiting. Unfortunately, that means we may not finish the project, but I will reopen it back up again to other contributors. So if you don't know what this is, you haven't yet contributed, but you'd like to, you can sign up in the description below and I'll send you all the information about this project, and hopefully we can actually fill out these 100 blocks. That would be incredible. It's coming together really well. There's some really different designs here. I really love this little map one here. Who's that by a guy called Heba. Let's check out their portfolio. And it's all, can I translate? First article on the blog. This is your first article completely. Oh, it's a little bit of a work in progress, this website, but I don't mind that it's a work in progress because you, my friend, submitted to the Big 100 project. Aren't you the best? I really like this one with the little animations and stuff like that. There's some really, really cool submissions on here. This guy did his entire block, and then the computer that he had with all of his work on completely died. So well done for getting that in, Peter. I really do appreciate it. And your block sort of represents what you had to go through, which is great. Loads of cool stuff here. This one's really nice. I like that one quite a lot. I'm not going to go all through all of these like I did last time because that was a long video. And basically I want this to be a short one to say thank you so much. You guys are the best. There's 2 days left. You love making me sweat, and I'm hoping you're all waiting for the deadline to submit your work, because 50 blocks remain. That's a lot that's been submitted, but there's still a long way to go. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Get those blocks in. You have till Monday the 19th. That's 2 days from now to do so, or I'll release your block to somebody else. Good luck, I suppose. And if you don't know what this is and you want to find out, sign up and I'll send you all the information and you might be in a chance with contributing to this project. Cheers, everybody. I'll see you next time.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.